you do this? Phoebe, did you chew a hole in this bag? Did you chew a hole in this bag? Phoebe.
No, don't come over here by me. No, ma'am.
Did you get in Mommy's backpack?
No, ma'am.
You got in Mommy's backpack.
Get away from me. I'm not going to save you. Go.
You got in Mommy's backpack, didn't you?
Nope, you can't go back. You can't go back anymore. Look at her. Did you get into Mommy's backpack?
Did you get in Mommy's backpack?
Bring it over to her
You
and
got
see
in
what...
Mommy's backpack, didn't you? You got in Mommy's backpack and chewed a hole. Yeah?
Look at her. Look at her. She can't get back any further. Look at her. Are you guilty or what, BB? Did you get into Mommy's backpack? Yeah. Kiss her butt bye-bye. And she just came and... Look, did you see that? She's trying to get out from behind me. Look at her.
You're
Look
the
at...
only one that could get up there
Uh-huh.
and get into Mommy's backpack. You're the only one. Was this you?
Look at her.
Did you do this?
Look. Look at her. Look, Deanie. Look. Okay. I'm gonna move now.
Come here. Mommy loves you. Mommy, come here. Okay.
Oh, that was funny. Look, now she's coming back over to me. Uh-uh.